It's taking the approach that Chris and Darcy just talked about and then applying that to the inorganic opportunities. So being able to bring an advisor in from another RIA or institution, or partnering with another RIA, taking what we've learned, the resources that we have, and then ultimately applying those to those advisors and firms has been the force multiplier in terms of our growth. And when I look back at the advisors that have been here, and their growth trajectory, a large piece of that trajectory has been built off of the fact that they can now go out to their COI, go out to their networks, and tell a new story around being able to work with sophistication in a way that they've never been able to. So whether it is leveraging the sophisticated investment platform, the alternative investment expertise, or in private markets expertise, whether it's leveraging some of the resources that we haven't talked about in depth yet, but trusted estates, actual lawyers on staff, CPAs, tax capabilities, intellectual property that we've acquired on the tax side. You couple all those things together, and it's been that force multiplier for an advisor or a firm to leverage those resources. And they've been able to grow their business and their client base because of having those resources around them. And culturally, it's the collaborative environment that allows that to happen. We really have, a collaboration and teamwork ethos here. It comes from the top down. And so when somebody new comes into Simon Quick, we're trying to encourage them as much as possible to leverage all of the resources that they have here. There are no quotas or sales, targets for people to hit like they do in the cross-selling institutions. But we encourage, an advisor that may not have a strong tax background to utilize one of our people who is CPA. I mean, it's a no-brainer to be able to bring that into a relationship and frankly show off.
So I'm hearing a lot of different drivers of growth in what you all just shared. Thank you. I mean, obviously starting with happy clients. If you've got happy clients, they're giving you referrals, getting the advisors out into their community to build relationships and centers of influence and sort of source their own leads. The head of client growth, which I want to circle back around to a little bit later, your marketing function, which is driving inbound lead generation, and then your inorganic. Did I capture all of the growth levers there?
Yeah, we think about it as a diversified portfolio, right? We're not focused on any one channel moving the business forward. We want them, all humming, and over time, right? One year, one of them might be a big contributor. Another year, maybe organic is a big contributor. And our expectation is that if we're pushing them all forward, then collectively the organization is going to grow the way we think it can.